Hey guys, we're at in the north of Boquete, going to Lost Waterfalls today. Should be a really fun hike to see a selection of 3 waterfalls. We're pretty much up in the mountains, so you can take a look here. It's really nice. I'm being joined here by an American and a Swiss guy. I haven't learned their names yet, but we'll see in a bit. But I think that we took Collectivo up here, and it was about $2.50. So now I'm out of change, so it'll be interesting coming on the way back. But yeah, it was pretty much a nice drive up, and we're pretty much in the mountains, close to the clouds. So let's go see these waterfalls. In the distance, you could see the white buildings, which are where coffee's being grown. Since we're in the Panama highlands, it's a very popular area for growers. Okay, so we paid for the hostel, and now we're gonna head down the trail over here. So this is a quick map. It's broken up into 3 waterfalls, and I guess the total should take about an hour and a half one way. So let's go. This is the second waterfall up on the way to the hike, and definitely the biggest.
Oh, really?
Oh, sorry. Hello, little hummingbird. This is the first waterfall on the trail. A pretty decent sized one. We thought this was the trail back, but it looks like we're just at ground level with the waterfall now, so time to head back up. Hey guys, I'm back at the hostel, back from the Lost Waterfalls hike. Definitely really fun to do, especially with Sarah and Finn, who came along with me on the hike. Definitely worth checking out. Total from Boquete, you took the Collectivo up, so that was $5 round trip plus the $7 entrance fee, so total was $12. Definitely worth it because you got to see 3 beautiful waterfalls. So definitely exceeded my expectations, and it was actually pretty popular. I saw a lot of families doing it, people with kids, so definitely not too on the difficult scale, but it does definitely get a little bit money, so wear your hiking boots for that. That'll just about wrap it up. I hope I encourage you guys to go hiking, explore your local area, or anywhere. And remember, we live in a beautiful world, so go explore it. Peace.